our laws. I assert that your supposed legislation is legally flawed and whimsical, maybe because the only motivation you have right now is that you cannot stand criticism, ridicule, and shame on how you behave and conduct yourselves as legislators. Mind you that as citizens, we can do that under our laws. And your decision to be public servants warrant that you accept that as part of our. I therefore invoke my rights as provided for the Constitution and divine invitation. And I do that I will continue to hold you accountable and responsible because you chose to be servants of the people. With all due respect, are not to be. So yun lang po mga kasama, and maraming salamat po sa inyong mga suporta. Tuloy na po yung ating laban dahil hindi na po ito laban namin, laban po ito.
Nasali tuloy ako dito. Sa Kamarites. And yung worst na plot nila, plot twist. Ito yung China, WPS, yung kanilang Pogo, nandito kami mga vloggers. Ang ginagawa nila ngayon, ipagsama yung dalawang topics. Parang North and South, iisa mo, naiisa yung North and South. Kasi alam nila, karamihan ng Pilipino ayaw ng Chinese. Ayaw ng Pogo. So parang ayaw kami, parang huwag na kayo makinig sa aming opinion, Pogo daw kami sponsor. China sponsor daw kami. Para kung may sabihin kami, hindi na maging effect, so mananalo na sila sa eleksyon. It's all about election. Ganun lang po ang nangyari dito. And sino maniniwala? Ako po, kilala niyo ako, nagpabalaway sa akin. Ako po yung unang mga tumilad dyan sa mga vlogger na nagpababayad para mag-promote ng sugal. Kasali na po yung mga artista, tinira ko yan. Yung mga kababak ko na artista dyan, hindi ko lang sabihin yung pangalan. Nagpababayad po yan para mag-promote ng sugal. Tapos na yung bayaran ng promote. Ano ba yan? Tinitira ko yung sugal. Tapos ako na yung dami ng promote para tirahin ng mga congressman. So there's something wrong with that. Then I really agree with all of it said. Gusto ko lang kung munang i-highlight, hindi na ngayon sa kanina. Walang point na yung meeting eh. No? Kasi ganito po. Sabi ni Meta, sa Guardian po ito, basahin ko before I end. The Guardian, January 7. Meta will get rid of fact checkers, dramatically reduce the amount of censorship and recommend more political content on its platforms. Ulitin po, and recommend more political content on its platform. Worldwide po ng Facebook yan. Mag-i-enjoy na lahat ng tao buong mundo, except Pilipinas. Dahil may mga self-centered lang na tao para lang sa kanila. Tumino sila para i-praise namin sila. Paano namin i-praise? Kung lang kayo Bibisara, tapos siyempre mapakalak pa kami. Bawang po kayo Bibisara. Siyempre titira kami. Pero kung pinagitingan niyo yung mga bahan, yung mga mahal ng pagkain, we will praise you, so there's nothing wrong with us. In addition, sabi niya, lalabas yan sa Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, from your words, Zuckerberg said, last paragraph before in a video message, Zuckerberg vowed to prioritize free speech after the return of Donald Trump in the White House and said, the starting in the US, he found, get rid of the fact checkers and replace them with the community notes similar to X. Ano yung community notes similar to X? Ibig sabihin, sa X na app, pag ayaw mo yung sinasabi, may notes doon, pwede mong anong salubin na anong statement mo to correct that point. Ibig sabihin, na-solve na ito nila. Na kunyari, ayaw mo yung sinasabi namin,